Hey my lovely doll, so these are the Amazon bundles that we'll be using today in the length 16, 18, 20, 22. It's a layered look and I did style it at the end so you can take a look, but I'd recommend a body wave next time
A
if you want them
straight
curl,
or
it
body
will hold a
wave.
curl better. But yeah, if you want these bundles, comment down below. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so girly pop hair is already washed and conditioned and blow dry, but here it
This is
is.
my prospect today.
I don't know why I'm
Let's
always behaving
begin.
like a clown, but anyways, we use the net for her sewing because she has some damaged area, and we want to make sure the sewing is secured, so the mesh will give us those area that we can sew on the net instead of the hair, not put so much tension on the hair itself. So this is where we reach with about 2 bundles here. So yeah, it's nice shiny quality, and this is the end result. Yeah, looking nice. I did a few layers. I didn't get to show you guys that brush the hair back, which is what she wanted. Flip her and do a little curl, and she's ready to go. Yeah.
Yeah, I vibe like water, I change a shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like
Yeah, girl, is all done. And remember to wear the best you for the world to see. Moya Lovely signing out.